Hello, hi, it's Diana Marchand from dianamarchand.com. And I don't often say, but I do have some free trainings on my website at dianamarchand.com. So you can check those out for those who want to know more about losing weight, feeling great in midlife. And I also have a really great training that's been downloaded so many times on how to prep and plan to eat healthy all week. And those are videos. They show you how I prep and plan my veggies, my food, so that I can eat healthy all week. So that's at dianamarchand.com. Check those out now. Also, I have a Facebook community, Women Creating Healthy Lives on Facebook. It's over 2,600 people, women over 40, and that's where I do a lot of trainings, post recipes, post ideas, do a lot of live videos about specific thing that people in the group ask me about too. So it's always learning more about, right, how to decrease stress, how to live healthy in this midlife phase, why things are so different, why your hormones are fluctuating, what to do, what to eat, all of those types of things. So check that out if you're on Facebook. All right, today's video is something that I wrote a post about earlier today, and it was really about when you're feeling overwhelmed, right? When you're feeling overwhelmed, and I get this way, I am very creative, so I want to start a million things at once. I want to go in so many different directions, and also I'm somebody who likes and wants to get results fast. I don't have a lot of patience. So when I want to change something or create something in my life, I'm kind of like, okay, what do I got to do? Let's get to it. I want to start it now. I'm going to make it happen fast, right? But what often happens is I start a whole bunch of things, and then it's like almost impossible to maintain all of that at once. And I try to do too much, and then I get frustrated, right? Frustrated and confused because I'm like, I'm not able to get this done. I can't maintain this. Nothing's happening fast enough. Oh my God. And then I end up quitting. So maybe you're like that too. And I find a lot of women, when they're starting healthy eating journey or changing what they eat so that it's right in midlife, right? It requires you to learn different things. And I know in midlife, you get that midlife weight gain, right around the midsection, and you want to lose the weight and you want it to happen fast, and it's frustrating when it doesn't. And so you kind of say, okay, I'm going to jump in, and you may follow one of those fad diets that, ensure, like that promise that you're going to get these amazing results fast, right? So you jump right in. They're quite restrictive. You completely change everything. You kind of like open up space in your life for like 2 weeks, and you're like, okay, I'm going to focus on this and do nothing but this. And then you do great, and you may even get results. But the thing is, they don't last, because you can't maintain that type of a lifestyle. It's too restrictive, or you go in and try to do too many things at once, all at once. It becomes overwhelming. Your regular life starts to crowd in on you, and it's just too much. And so what happens is, the easier way is to just kind of quit and let old habits, behaviors, and those old foods come back into your life because it's easier, right? And so that's why so many women don't stay on track. It's kind of like that all or nothing, where you go full in and you want to do it all and get results fast. You're like, no, I'm going for it all. Or it's like, that's too much, so I might as well forget it, and I'll do it later. I'll wait a month. I'll wait till next year. I'll wait till next week, whatever. Or maybe you even think it's hopeless. Forget it. Why try to make any changes? It's not going to work. But what the message is today is about, keep it simple and take one step at a time. Okay, keep it simple and take one step at a time. So here's an example. If you are starting to eat healthy, and you're like, wow, okay, now what can I begin to do? There's a lot of things. You can read all the information. It's overwhelming. It's conflicting. You don't know who to believe or what to believe. And then it's like, do I have to go out and buy all those special ingredients? Do I have to prep that takes 5 hours in the kitchen before I even get some meals made? No. Start with this. Have some hot, warm lemon water in the morning. So that is a warm to hot drink, water. Add some fresh lemon juice from a lemon in the morning. First things when you first wake up. And then a little while later, so you do that for a week, let's say. So that's just starting, right? This is how you're going to start, very, very slow, right? Okay, I'm committing to having that lemon water, which helps your skin, helps your body to detox better, is higher alkaline, so helps decrease inflammation, a whole bunch of things that it's good for, helps your bile production, so it's good for digestion first thing in the morning. So start with that lemon water for 1 week. You commit to that every single day. Yes, you're able to do that. It's pretty easy, right? Then the next week, you're going to add in a green smoothie. So you have your lemon water, and then a little bit later you have a green smoothie. There you go, for 1 full week. Then the week after that, what you can do is add a large, healthy, nutritious salad every lunch hour, or at least one a day, lunch or dinner. So that means you've had your lemon water for 7 days. Then the next 7 days, you start including the green smoothie. Then the next 7 days after that, you have a large salad, right? So that's going good, easy. They're all incorporated every single day. Then the 4th week, you start bringing in a morning practice. That can be you wake up 10 minutes earlier so that you have 10 minutes in the morning to do some deep breathing, connecting to yourself, really relaxing. You can do a little meditation. You can do some breathing exercises. You can write out some gratitude statements. And that's part of your morning too. So after 4 weeks, you have incorporated 4 powerful things in the morning that are going to help you feel so much better. Instead of trying too many things at once, doing and then stopping and doing nothing and going back again, right? And feeling frustrated, feeling hopeless, feeling helpless, like maybe you can't do this, and nothing really working. So when you're feeling overwhelmed, when there's a lot to do, when you're not sure, just take the first step. What can you do now? That is simple, but you can do it consistently, all right? That's my tip for you today. All right, check out my trainings at dianamarchand.com. You also see in the menu bar if I'm holding any programs at that time. I'm always open to do one-on-one coaching. I have many, many ways to work with you and many prices. So if you want help, accountability, support, the how-to, the what to eat, the recipes, and all of that type of thing, and the mindset, then feel free to contact me through my website or on Facebook. Enjoy your day. Much love. Bye-bye.